At Domino, we ensure rigorous qualifications of our V-Series thermal transfer printers on a variety of packaging machines. This means our printers are integration-ready, prepared and qualified in advance to install on the horizontal or vertical form-fill-seal packaging machines of your choice. For example, the Atlas VFFS forms, fills, and seals savory snack packages on the fly, while the film is constantly moving using a rotary motion to constantly drive the packaging film. But continuous motion does not always mean constant or fixed speed motion. Depending on the bag size, the packaging film can almost appear to stop even in continuous motion. This phenomena is observed most often when very large bags are being formed, filled, and sealed. We also see it in snack food packaging, caused when the VFFS machine employs a mechanical stripping action to remove crumbs from the seal area. This stripping action causes hesitation, ramp up, and slow down, and that makes it difficult for any thermal transfer printer due to minimum speed requirements of the technology. To overcome this, Domino has designed application-specific hardware for mounting our printer, which includes a cylindrical pressure roller as a platen and an adjustable registration roller. In all cases, the operator will need to make both electronic and mechanical settings adjustments to ensure a properly timed print go signal is received. The best opportunity to receive the go signal is often during film acceleration. To begin, input a new job via the HMI touchscreen. Next, jog the Atlas machine to mark a few bags while adjusting the print go signal to achieve a perfect mark on the film. Review how the mark lines up on the film. Next, position the mark on the package relative to the print area by adjusting the registration roller as seen here. The mechanical adjustment on a toothed gear can move left or right by rotating the roller. By doing this, you're changing the position of the film under the print head and consequently moving the mark up or down the length of the package to the proper print area on the film. The printer is ready to print during the proper part of the machine cycle. To read about our recent success qualifying our V230i thermal transfer printer on Ishida's Atlas bag maker under the watchful supervision of our friends at Heat and Control, please refer to the case study accompanying this video.